Okay guys, good morning. Welcome to Basil Pistolero Vlogs po. Happy Thursday po. Morning. God bless us all. Okay, andito kami ni paring Glenn ko. Na-drive siya ng ating travel mixer truck. Going to batching plant from office. From the office of our supervisor. So, andito medyo pabagal-bagal lang yung good morning. Thank you for the dito kasi malawak itong pa natin. Malawak ito. Itong ating patching plant po. Napakalawak dito. More than 5 hectares. Nakita ang mga equipment natin.
Baklo na nagre, pre?
Oo. Medyo man kayo ma-repair na siguro.
Amo na napag-takpan sa hatol ng mga may-arog ka.
Okay naman ang bal ni Chip Angi. Kaya naman patasigon. Okay guys, andito yung mga equipment na. Ayan. Ito yung tripodal natin na 75 tonners. Ayan, 50 tonners na crane. Pang girder naman ito yung mga equipment. Okay mga guys, napakaganda ng morning natin ngayon, paring Glenn.
Yes! It's really good morning to us.
Very good.
Because, you know,
nakapirma na tayo.
we are signing our payrolls for this week.
This week. So that we're a company naman tayo.
We are confident
Naman tayo for our
to work
better.
good than that.
This is the old bako equipment.
That's for sale.
For sale pa yan.
That's for sale.
Oh.
It's only 1 million.
1 million lang. Mura naman. Ito guys yung
Our small building.
new buildings of
Sampag.
Barangay Sampag. Elementary school po ito.
That is under construction.
Ongoing construction.
Under the Basilio
Under the-
construction.
It's okay naman guys. Maganda. Dito.
And this is our batching plant.
We're
We are
arriving to
proud
our
of this
batching plant.
because this batching plant is giving to our
Company.
company.
This is a very good batching plant ever.
Oh, bakit may tao dito? Ano nangyari?
Meron namang naghuhugas.
Anong ginagawa dyan?
Yung mga grupo na naghuhugas din.
Tawagin mo
Okay
sila.
guys, andito na kami sa aming batching plant. Magpaikot-ikot mo. Titingnan. Kasi maaga pa naman.
Mag-real survey ka muna doon, pre.
Okay, thank you so much, paring Glenn.
Okay, welcome.
God bless you always. Ito naman napaka ewan ko mamaya siguro may buhos tayo pre.
Yes.
Oh.
After break time.
Kasi yun naman ang routine natin every morning, every day. Meron tayong buhos talaga kasi mayroon tayong hinahabol na time. Kuta tayo eh. So I'm going back.
Yes, goodbye.
Muna natin itong mga nature tree natin dito guys. Kasi maganda nature eh.
That is a bonsai.
That is a bonsai of
Bonsai.
Joey Bonsai. Okay guys, andito tayo. May dyan.